How to create Reels on Facebook. To create a Reel on Facebook, start by opening the Facebook mobile app and tapping the plus icon at the top of the screen. From the list of options, select Reel. You'll be taken to a screen where you can either record a new video using the in-app camera or upload a clip directly from your device gallery. Once your video is selected, Facebook gives you several customization tools to make it more engaging. You can add music from the built-in library, place text or captions, apply visual effects or filters, and even insert stickers to match your style or message. After editing, tap Next to move on to the final steps. Here you can write the description or caption, choose who can see your reel, and adjust other basic settings. Once you're happy with everything, tap Share Now to publish it. Your reel will appear on your profile and in the Facebook Reels section, making it visible to others who can like, comment, and share it. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.